Hello, I'm Adam Bradley, Mayor of the City of White Plains. The city has over 57,000 residents and up to 250,000 daily visitors. White Plains is a fast-growing, diverse city that has much to offer. Friendly neighborhoods, restaurants, theaters, the arts, shopping, parks, and of course, high-rise buildings where people live and work. We want all of our residents and visitors to be safe in our high-rise buildings. The following presentation is designed to give you important safety information in the event of a fire in a high-rise building.
Hello, I'm Richard Lyman, Chief of the White Plains Fire Bureau. Fire safety, and in particular, high-rise fire safety, is a top priority for us at the White Plains Fire Bureau. We invest many hours training our firefighters to respond to high-rise emergencies to ensure the safety of residents and visitors. The Fire Bureau also devotes time to developing and delivering fire safety programs. We want everyone to know how to prevent fires and know what to do in case of a fire. The following presentation will help you plan and prepare to survive a fire in your high-rise building.
In case of a fire, is my building safe?
In the event of fire, high-rise buildings are among the safest types of buildings. High-rise buildings are designed and constructed with fire-resistant materials to withstand the effects of fire and to contain the fire to its area of origin for at least 1 hour. However, in the event of a fire in your building, you need to be prepared, and more importantly, you must remember to stay calm.
What can I do to stay safe in case there's a fire?
Stay calm. Do not panic. Remaining calm will allow you to stay in control and think clearly. This will help you to alert your neighbors and get out of the building safely. All high-rise buildings in White Plains are required to have an approved fire safety and evacuation plan. Take the time to review your building's fire safety and evacuation plan. You should know at least 2 different ways to exit the building. Remember, always check the batteries in your smoke detector to make sure they are working properly. The early detection of a fire can save your life. Practice exit drills from your apartment with your family. Report fire hazards to your building manager. Blocked exits, piled up trash, missing exit lights, and open fire doors are violations of law. If your superintendent doesn't correct them, call the Fire Prevention Office at 914-422-6312 and report the condition. Your life may depend on getting the violations corrected. Remember this acronym: CALM. C. Call 911 from an area that is safe to do so. A. Alert other residents and building management. Activate the building alarm pull station if available. L. Listen for instructions from building management or fire personnel. You may be directed to stay in your apartment or exit through a specific stairwell. M. Move to a safe area or evacuate according to directions from fire department personnel.
In case of a fire, should I stay in my apartment or leave?
If there is a fire in your apartment, leave immediately and close the door behind you. Leave the door unlocked for quick access by fire personnel. Closing the door will prevent fire, heat, and deadly smoke from entering the hallway. Do not use the elevators. Use the nearest stairwell and activate the building alarm pull station if available. When you leave, do not travel to the roof. That will only make rescue more difficult. If the fire is not in your apartment or on your floor, stay where you are until you are directed to leave by fire personnel. If advised to leave or you feel you are in danger, feel the back of the door for 5 seconds. If it's warm to the touch, do not open. If it's not warm, check for the presence of smoke. If smoke is present, Seal the door with wet sheets and towels. Seal ventilators and any other openings where smoke may enter. Unless flames or smoke are coming from below, open your windows a few inches at the top or bottom. Don't break the windows. They may need to be closed later. Call the fire department at 911 with your apartment number and a description of the conditions in your apartment. Firefighters will be directed to your location. If you feel you are in grave danger, open a window and wave a bedsheet for firefighters to spot you. If smoke is not present, take a flashlight and the key to your apartment and exit. Do not use the elevators. Use the nearest stairwell.
Should I try to put out the fire on my own?
Do not try to extinguish the fire first. Leave the area and call 911. Give as much information as you can, including the floor of the fire and the apartment number, and if possible, the location and extent of the fire.
The life safety information contained in this program is important for your safety. Remember the acronym CALM. C. Call 911 from an area that is safe. A. Alert other residents and building management. L. Listen for instructions from building management or fire personnel. M. Move to a safe area. The White Plains Fire Bureau is doing its part to make sure you are safe should a fire occur in your high-rise building. However, we need you to do your part by being prepared. Following the simple directions in your building's high-rise fire safety and evacuation plan could save your life.